My name is Martin Gilbert. I'm director of Lexus Canada, and welcome to the Toronto Auto Show. We're very pleased to welcome you and introduce for the first time our new global BEV, battery electric vehicle for Lexus, which is the RZ 450e. That you can see just behind me. It's our first vehicle, battery electric, based on the TNGAE, a new electric platform. The RZ 450e is available in three grades: Signature, Luxury, and Executive. The model that you see behind me is the Executive, which is our top-of-the-line model. So the RZ 450e is fully electric, so battery electric, and it has a connected technology, which we call the Lexus interface. It has the most advanced technology, Lexus 3.0 Plus, that is available on any Lexus models. So the new RZ is part of our Lexus Next chapter, which is an evolution in design, refinement in the quality of assembly and the material used. It is also the cockpit, the driving center. It's all centered around the driver for ease of connecting with the components of the vehicle, but also to be connected to the road. It's that feel of driving, which is phenomenal, which is what we call the driving signature, the Lexus driving signature. The RZ 450e is equipped with the latest connected technology from Lexus, which is the Lexus interface, which is linked to your cell phone or smart mobile phone. You can do remote start. You can have a location where the vehicle is parked, the charge, the range left on the vehicle, and a multitude of information that are available at your fingertips. And you got wireless charging, Apple CarPlay, Android, all included as a standard feature on this model. The RZ 450e price starts at $64,950 and will be available to dealers in Quebec and British Columbia within probably the next 30 days. And we're very excited for this first global launch of a BEV in Canada. And we invite everyone to come and visit us and experience all of our model at the Toronto International Auto Show.
You can just press right here.
They think they're entitled to. Yeah. You can't know them all. Can't know.
She said, but it's
Also new this year at Lexus is the new RX, our number one selling vehicle in the luxury segment. We're very proud to introduce the fifth generation, the RX 500h with hybrid max performance and Ford Direct all-wheel drive system. Extremely high-performing vehicle, which adds to the already successful series of gas model and hybrid model, plus later this year, hybrid plug-in version that will be introduced to the Canadian market. The new RX also features on all series e-latch, which is a new type of entry to the vehicle, which also locks the vehicle from being open if there's incoming traffic or bicycle, which is a very great feature, obviously, in the city environment, but also includes traffic jam assist, which is really an end-free system. You've got change lane assist. It is part of the most advanced safety system that are available on many Lexus model, which is called the Lexus Safety Suite 3.0 Plus. The RX series, including the NX series, are both manufactured in Canada, which makes us very, very proud at our award-winning plant in Cambridge, Ontario. And it represents, surprisingly, almost 75% of all our sales. So obviously we're very proud of this achievement. We invite everyone to come and see us and experience the Lexus product, one of the broadest offerings in the luxury space, and also take a chance or come and experience and test drive the NX plug-in in the electric driving course available at the Toronto AutoShow.